and spirits! Sit up and stop this! I swear it, I swear it! Wonderful.
My teacher saw a lot of potential in me, and that really inspired me to pursue theatre. She really gave me the courage and the confidence to pursue it further.
I know it, Uncle! Oh wait, in that part.
Theatre has allowed me to find a community of people to help me with my skills a lot. So Shrek was the most recent musical I was in, and I got a role I didn't originally audition for. It was probably the most rewarding role I've played so far. That was a very enjoyable experience. I went to New York to take part in a theatre festival there called ISTA. There was a lot of experienced performers there. I was not very confident with myself. Through talking to them and engaging with them, and that I need to focus on my own abilities and I need to not be so worried about what other people think, made me more confident. We saw 5 Broadway performances. My favorite one was Moulin Rouge because it had a really cool set. You felt like you were part of the show. Got the chance to talk with the performers from that show, and I learned a lot. It encouraged me to pursue that as a career. I find lots of enjoyment on stage. The moment I realized I can, I wish to pursue theatre as a career. Everyone needs to be themselves. I think that they need to step out their confidence zone and try new things, and who knows, they might like it. I would just like to say thank you. Very supportive of what I do, and it's been really encouraging for me.
Rhiannon came to YCIS back in 2016. One of the things I noticed with my daughter, I saw some changes in her. When she did her IGCSE, I saw her start to gain a lot more in confidence. That was an amazing thing to happen. She had the opportunity through the school to go to New York. She came back absolutely changed. She's just grown. She was significantly influenced by certain teachers in the school. So she gained so much from the positivity that the teachers gave her. That drama and that ability let her be the person that she really is. You've got that confidence now. You know your abilities. Go out there into the world. Just be who you are. Never be frightened to be who you are.
You will hear them, you will smell them. This is our story. And that is how the little ogre came to live on a swamp with a bee